today's video, I'm going to show you how to plant a rose. First, pick a full sun location, at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Next, dig yourself a hole, ideally double the size of your pot, but don't worry too much. If it's only a little bit bigger than the size of your pot, that will probably suffice. Next, we're going to want to remove our rose from its container. You may need some pruning shears for this, depending on the container. Don't worry if anything breaks off, that's totally fine. Roses always would respond well to pruning. So we've got the lid off of our container. We're going to remove the root ball. Take a look at those roots. This is what my roots look like. We're going to put some fertilizer and compost in the hole and get this planted. I'm going to be adding something called a sea soil to my planting hole. Use whatever compost is available to you. Sea soil is an awesome amendment for all plants. This is what it looks like. We're going to add a few handfuls to the planting hole. Next, we're going to add something called potash to the planting hole. Potash helps with disease resistance in roses. If you live in the Pacific Northwest, there's a lot of rain and you really want to have a nice disease-resistant plant. Add some potash. Whether you're planting or fertilizing, potash is a great amendment for roses. This is what potash looks like, and we're going to add a few handfuls to the planting hole. Most importantly, add bone meal when you're planting a rose. Bone meal is going to encourage more and more flowers on your rose bush. This is the one thing you don't want to miss when you're planting a rose. Going to bring our rose down into the hole, position it in a way that you're happy with it, and now cover up the roots. I'm going to cover with a little more sea soil as well as the native soil. Don't forget to water your rose right away. If possible, apply a layer of mulch. If you don't have any, leaves will work just fine. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like, and thank you for watching.